Hello everyone, this is Prashant Lalwani from Internet Zone. So today we'll be talking on JEE Advanced 2017. Candidates who are expected to appear in the JEE Advanced 2017 will face various doubts or confusion regarding the application procedure or the eligibility criteria, etc. So we'll talk on those stuff today. So first of all, the JEE Advanced 2017 examination will be conducted on 21st May 2017. There will be two papers. The first one will start from 9 a.m. in the morning and will go on till 12 p.m. in afternoon, and the second paper will begin from 2 p.m. and will go on till 5 p.m. Both the papers will be conducted at a particular test center where the candidate is expected to arrive before 8 a.m. in the morning. So after that, if we move on to the eligibility criteria for JEE Advanced, the first and the foremost criteria is that the candidate will have to be among the top 2,20,000 students in order to appear for JEE Advanced. So the breakup for the 2,20,000 students have been given in this column. You can see that 1,11,000 students from open category are allowed to write the JEE Advanced and the remaining from the reserved category. The second criteria is the age limit. A candidate who has been born after October 1, 1992 is only allowed to give the examination, not before that. Then number of attempts. Candidates can give a maximum of 2 attempts, and that should be in consecutive years. Apart from that, the candidate should have finished their class 12th examination in 2016 or 17. One major criteria is that a candidate who has been allotted a seat in any of the IITs in a previous examination is not allowed to attempt for JEE Advanced 2017 again. This is one major eligibility criteria. So apart from these basic things, there are many frequently asked questions which we'll go through right now. If a candidate is allotted a separate mark sheet or a pass certificate, which one to submit? The candidate will have to submit the mark sheet in that case. Then, can I get the question paper in Hindi language? Yes. A candidate has been given two options, English or Hindi, and he'll have to choose from one. After that, how many mobile numbers I can give in the application form? You can give 2 numbers in your application form. Can I use credit card to pay the registration fees? You can pay through net banking, debit card, SBI Challan only. No credit card payment has been permitted in JEE Advanced 2017. So again, this is very important that credit card payments are not allowed in JEE Advanced. Only debit cards, net banking or SBI Challan is allowed. Then I have declared my category wrongly during JEE Main 2017. Can I correct it in JEE Advanced? No. You can not correct your category in JEE Advanced 2017. It will be taken directly from your JEE Main 2017. Then one important thing was that I have accepted a seat through JOSA 2016. Am I eligible for JEE Advanced 2017? Again, as I said, that you are not allowed to take admission in JEE Advanced 2017 if you have been allotted a seat through one of the previous examination. Then how to log in to fill your application form for JEE Advanced 2017? It was somewhere here. So okay, your roll number for JEE Main 2017 will be the application number or the login ID to log in into JEE Advanced 2017, and the password will be the password which you set for your JEE Main profile. During examination, can I modify my answer bubbled on ORS? No. Since the ORS is a computerized sheet, right? So you'll have to be very careful while attempting your questions in the JEE Advanced paper. Once when you put a bubble by black ballpoint pen, you cannot change your answer after that. When should I reach my examination center? You should reach at least 1 hour before the examinations. If I am absent in one of the papers, will my result be declared? You will be considered absent from the examination and be disqualified to receive the result. So it is important to appear in both the papers. Is there any dress code for appearing in JEE Advanced? No. You'll have to be like you are going for an examination, so you'll have to be sober. You should not wear unnecessary chains, rings, bangles, etc. So obviously you have to be sober, but there is no definite dress code for JEE Advanced 2017. Apart from that, there are some basic questions as to how many attempts can you give, what is the last date to fill the application form. Okay, the dates for filling the application form, etc. will be announced after the result of JEE Main. So nothing has been announced till now. If I do not submit the OBCL certificate by 5th June, can I submit it at the time of reporting? No, you'll have to submit the document or the category certificate before 5th of June, because your results will be declared based on your category. So you are required to submit your category certificate before the given date. I have taken admission into one of the NITs in 2016. Am I eligible for JEE Advanced? Yes. If you have taken admission in NITs, you can appear for JEE Advanced. But if you have taken admission in one of the IITs, then you are not allowed to sit in JEE Advanced 2017. Okay. Apart from that, there are some other frequently asked questions which you can see by going to this link. Apart from that, all the details regarding your application form or admit card will be transmitted to you through this website, or you can visit www.interenstzone.com. This website will give you all the details regarding various engineering examinations, including JEE Advanced 2017. That's it. Thank you for watching.